Hi, you guys. It's Dawn and Jessica. We know it's been a little bit of time since we've been on, but we wanted to hop on here because it's the holidays. Happy holidays, and they are fast approaching.
Very quickly.
Yeah, so we wanted to talk to you a little bit about GLOWBIOTIcs has brand new products out, which is
very exciting.
Very exciting.
Yes.
And we have some holiday kits to help you save money and save you time. So let's talk brand new products.
Absolutely.
So we have 2 new body products. So now you get to treat your skin from head to toe, not just your face, but we are talking about balancing your microbiome and tell us about the scents and everything.
Yep. So we have a wonderful holiday kit that includes both full-size products. We have our new shower gel, which is absolutely wonderful. You can use this in the bath or the shower. And it has a wonderful citrus coconut scent, which is nice and light, kind of beachy, perfect for winter, takes you back to the summer. It's wonderful.
Yep.
And then we have the matching body lotion, which is also in the citrus coconut. And again, it's lightweight, but yet very hydrating to the skin. Together, they're the perfect pairing to balance the skin. As Jessica was saying, we're protecting the microbiome, which is so important, especially through the winter when that cold weather, for those of you who live in cold weather, can help, you know, really destroys it. And we want to get that really nourishing kind of feel to the skin, and that's exactly what these 2 products are going to do.
And a little goes a really long way,
Yes.
which is fabulous. My husband uses the shower gel. He's like, this stuff is amazing. So men can use it in the shower. It's really nice. And
ladies use it for shaving your
Yep.
legs in the shower. Yeah,
fantastic.
very nice. Yep.
And it's $49. So really inexpensive gift for those people on your list, even your teenage girls that need something that you want to give them a little something. It's really inexpensive. So.
Yeah, and it's a 21% savings. So normally it would be $62. It's a $62 value.
Yeah.
So it's a 21% savings. So that's really good. Think of your school teachers, your kid's teacher, like you were saying, the
piano teachers.
Yeah, lunch lady.
Yeah, somebody that you're really close to, maybe your mail carrier, your neighbors.
Maybe you own a business and you have some employees that you need to give gifts to.
Yeah.
Hint, hint.
Anyway, okay, so that is the new body products that we have, and they're absolutely fabulous. You'll want to try those.
Yep.
Second gift that we have is the Youth All the Way. Now, this is my personal favorite gift because it's the best savings you can get. It's,
Absolutely.
You're going to save 37% with this kit because you're getting our Ultimate Youth Serum, which is by itself $225. And then you're also going to get the calming restorative treatment, which is perfect for the daytime, for your skin being irritated because of the dry weather changing and flakiness and all of that stuff that happens, and stress. Let me tell you, stress, your skin gets inflamed when you're stressed, and so you need something to calm it down. This is the perfect product.
And you know how stressful the holidays can be, so this is the perfect product.
And then, so this one by itself is $94, and then we're going to give to you, it's gifted in the bag, is the Ultra Rich Brightening Cream. So it's a heavier cream for the winter time. This is your ultimate anti-aging kit, and it's for $249. So remember I told you that the Ultimate Youth Restoring Serum is $225 by itself. The kit is $249. It's a killer deal. You cannot beat this deal. I'm telling you.
37% savings.
It's amazing.
Really great deal.
And if you're having questions about fine lines, wrinkles, the older people
sun
that are on your
damage
list,
from what you did this summer.
Absolutely.
Yep, when you were on vacation, if you were out at the beach or playing golf or playing tennis. This is the great trio for you to be using in the winter now to kind of let your skin recover and renew itself. So this is a great purchase.
Plus it's really inexpensive.
Yes.
So I highly suggest this kit. And then the last kit that we have, of course, is our Best in Glow kit. And if you've been a GLOWBIOTIcs follower or you're new to GLOWBIOTIcs, this has all the cult following products in it. So this has our Hydra Glow Cream Oil, which is the fun, pink, translucent looking product. But not only does it give your skin an instant dewy glow, but it also is anti-aging. So it has a lot of benefits. It can be used multiple ways with your foundation, mixed. Dawn uses it with her sunscreen, so she mixes it with sunscreen. You can mix it with your moisturizers that you have, or you can wear it by yourself. Like, since you're so busy running around, maybe you don't have time to throw on your whole face and your makeup and stuff, so you just put that on, protect your skin.
Yep.
Out you go.
It's probiotic rich, it's antioxidant rich, it's got this mineral complex in it that is absolutely wonderful. It's what gives you the little sheen, but it's also very nourishing for the skin as well. Yeah. So you're getting, feeding the skin and giving you a beautiful glow for the holidays.
Yeah, so it comes with that. It also comes with the Illuminating Eye Cream, which is my personal daytime favorite. Yeah,
yep.
That's our favorite.
Yep.
It's lightweight, ultra lightweight. It has that mineral complex in it that's going to reflect the light off of your dark circles, because let's be honest, you're probably not sleeping very much. And and it has Hyalus and
eyeless,
and which help with dark circles and fine lines around the eye area.
Yep.
So love this, and it comes with a really cool metal tip. That is a cooling metal tip, and you can just
massage it around the eyes.
Yeah.
So if you wake up puffy in the morning, with puffy eyes in the morning, this is great, because it really does cool, and you don't need to even keep it in the refrigerator. The metal is just normally cool, and you just kind of massage it as you're putting the eye cream, squeezing the eye cream out of it, and it really does soothe and hydrate the eyes and takes down that puffiness.
A little goes a long way, so don't over squeeze.
Yeah.
And then of course it comes with the instant resurfacing pads, which are instant brightening. They give you a nice glow to your skin. You can take them when you travel, because probably a lot of us are traveling, and so it's great to get probiotics on your skin daily and while you're out and about and doing.
It's got some lactic acid in there, so it really helps with kind of a microscopic cellular turnover, which is perfect, especially for this time of year. So, and that lactic acid is also known for, of course, brightening the skin as well as hydrating the skin, which we, again, need in the wintertime.
Yeah. So that's just kind of a brief, long version of the holiday kits that we have, new products that are out. So if you have any questions, again, reach out to us. You can reach Dawn directly at education.
education@glowbiotics.com. Email me anytime.
Yeah, or you can contact customer service, or you can call us. Customer service is cs@glowbiotics.com. And you can always just send us a message. You can DM us on any social channel that we have. And
follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest.
That's right. And keep an eye out, because there will be giveaways sprinkled throughout the holiday season.
Yeah.
And of course, remember that in December, we have the big 12 Days of Christmas giveaway, so you don't want to miss that as well. But we want to wish you a happy shopping and all of the hustle and bustle that's starting to come about. But also remember, it's really important to take care of your skin. So we hope that you'll tune in to more that we have coming for you, and have a great day.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.